It's time for car versus car contest. Every week, 2 contestants will show off their car with 90-second videos to compete to win a $100 Amazon gift card for me. And the winner will be chosen by you in a poll at the end of this video. And here comes this week's contestants.
Hello everybody, my name is Chris. This is my 2005 Lotus Elise. I acquired this car back in April 2018. This was my wife's uncle's car. He passed away in February and it went to his children, but his children didn't want the car. So then I put it a bid and I ended up getting it. It's a great car. It's a 1.8 liter V4, only 190 horsepower. Car weighs 2,100 pounds. It's a pretty quick car. It's not real fast, but it goes. I didn't really do much to this car. I kept everything stock except for the speakers. The stock speakers were pretty bad. I ended up changing out the speakers in the front and the dash and behind the seats with Alpine speakers. There's not much to the interior, just a radio and a steering wheel, and that's all you need, because in this car you don't need all that extra bling and distractions. It does have a soft top convertible. It did not come with the hard top convertible. Yeah, this is a great car. I love it, and I take it out whenever I can. I drive it at least once or twice a week.
Hi everyone, my name is Ali and today I'm presenting you my Toyota Aristo 1992. She's the first car that came installed with the 2JZ GTE power plant. She's known as a Lexus GS300 in the USA but never came turbocharged. It was originally designed by Untitled Design in 1988, nowadays owned by Lamborghini, and has a drag coefficient of 0.31. The interior is packed with full power amenities such as power windows, locks, side mirrors, steering, as well as the tilt adjustment of it. It also has a digital climate control and the AC blows cold. Some added features and modifications include 19-inch work wheels, custom air intake, and intercooler piping with a bigger 3-inch front mount intercooler. I also installed the 4-paw super brakes at the front, and the car is straight piped with Fujitsu exhausts. A recent dynator showed that she does 283 to the wheels and 310 foot-pound of torque. Thank you Scotty for showing my car, and thank you everyone for watching.
Well, that was this week's videos, and remember to have your car shown here, and to compete to win, email me a picture of your car and I'll choose the best ones to show in next week's episode. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.